Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one stop for all things tech. I'm Rini Gupta, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. And also, we are adding something new, a daily AI tool or tip to help you work smarter and live more efficiently in this digital age. So our let's story today is about Jio launches JioPC, India's first virtual desktop for JioFiber AirFiber users. Before we move on to the headlines, like, share and subscribe to the channel for all tech updates. UIDAI to launch QR code based e-Aadhaar app by 2025. UIDAI is set to launch a new QR code enabled e-Aadhaar app by the end of 2025, allowing users to verify identity digitally without submitting photocopies. Most Aadhaar updates can now be done from home, with biometric verification required only at enrollment centers. The system pulls data from verified government databases, minimizing fraud and fake documents. UIDAI is also coordinating with schools for biometric updates of children. Claude AI to enforce weekly usage limits from 28 August to curb abuse. Anthropic will roll out new weekly usage caps for Claude AI starting 28 August, targeting account sharing and 24/7 usage. The limits apply to all paid tiers, including Pro $20 and Max plans $100, $200. Users of Cloth Code, especially the Opus 4 model, will face stricter controls due to rising demand and past outages. While most users won't be affected, high usage accounts may need to purchase extra access. Raj Shamani becomes brand ambassador for ASUS ExpertBook series. ASUS India has announced Raj Shamani, India's leading podcaster and founder of Figuring Out, as the official brand ambassador for its ExpertBook series. With over 18 million subscribers and 8 billion plus views, Raj embodies values of ambition, innovation, and self-made success, perfectly aligning with the worry-free business promise of ExpertBook. ASUS aims to empower young professionals and entrepreneurs with durable, secure, high-performance PCs. The collaboration reflects a shared vision to enable Indian ambition globally. Google Chrome adds AI-powered store summaries to enhance online shopping. Google Chrome has introduced a new AI-powered store summary feature to improve online shopping experiences. Currently available in the US, desktop only, the feature offers AI-generated insights from Google Shopping and review platforms like Trustpilot and ScamAdvisor. When users visit product pages, a new store reviews option appears via the icon beside the address bar, highlighting feedback on product quality, pricing, shipping, and more. The tool helps shoppers make informed decisions and also allows them to rate the usefulness of the AI summaries. Amazon Echo Show 5 Gen 3 launched in India at ₹10,999. Amazon has launched the Echo Show 5 Gen 3 in India at a discounted price of ₹10,999, MRP ₹11,999. The compact smart display features a 5.5-inch touchscreen, new AZ2 neural edge processor, improved microphone array, and a 8.7-inch speaker offering clearer vocals and double the bass. Design refinements include rounded edges and infinity cover glass. It supports Alexa voice commands, smart home control, and video calls via a built-in camera. WhatsApp is testing a night mode feature in its Android beta version 2.25.22 to improve photography in low light settings. Spotted by Webtainfo, the feature adds a moon icon to the in-app camera interface, allowing users to manually enable night mode. It uses software-based enhancements to boost exposure and reduce noise, offering clearer images in dim environments, while it helps capture more shadow detail indoors or at night. Now for our AI tool of the day, Code GPT. Today's AI tool spotlight is on Code GPT, an AI coding assistant that works directly inside your favorite code editors like Versus Code. It helps developers write, explain, debug, and optimize code in real time, supporting multiple languages including Python, JavaScript, Java, and more. Whether you're a beginner stuck on logic or a pro looking to speed up development, Code GPT can generate boilerplate code, suggest improvements, and even explain complex functions in simple terms. Now, so our lead story is about Jio launches JioPC, India's first virtual desktop for JioFiber AirFiber users. Reliance Jio has launched JioPC, a virtual desktop platform for JioFiber and Jio AirFiber users. It allows access to a cloud-based Ubuntu Linux desktop via Jio's set-top box using just a keyboard, mouse, and internet connection. JioPC offers 100 gigabytes cloud storage, AI tools like Adobe Express Premium, and network-level malware protection. Users can try a 8-month free trial, after which plans start at 599 month. Limited time offers include 8 months for 2,499 rupees and 15 months for 4,599 rupees. The service features a quad-core CPU and 8 GB RAM for smooth performance.
And that's a wrap on today's IT Voice Bulletin. From hiring politics to AI-driven wealth and creation, technology is at the heart of everything, and we are here to help you make sense of it all. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to IT Voice, and join us tomorrow for more trending headlines and another powerful AI tool.
I'm Rini Gupta, signing off. Stay curious, stay connected.